Welcome everyone to the Arduino tutorial series. Today in part 1 we are diving into the exciting world of Arduino Uno. Arduino, whether you dreamed of making cool gadgets, robots, IoT devices, Arduino is starting point. Let's learn what Arduino is, set it up and blink off an LED bulb at the end of this video. Arduino is an open source platform with a microcontroller, a tiny computer which runs your code to control hardware devices like motors, LEDs. Arduino is beginner friendly, affordable and versatile. It reads input like sensors and controls output like lights or motors. To program Arduino, we use the Arduino IDE software. Let's download and install it. So to download and install the Arduino IDE, we have to go in Google and search Arduino IDE. So we have to search Arduino IDE, then after Arduino IDE we'll go in Arduino and then scroll down. I scroll down and then here we go, there is a download option over here and we'll download this, and I have already downloaded, so I'm stopping it. So here we go, that's it. Like that we can download the Arduino IDE and install it. Okay, so we have installed Arduino IDE to in our PC. Now we just have to connect this cable, Arduino cable or USB cable, to our PC and our Arduino. We just connect from here. Now our Arduino is connected. Now let's write our first program to blink LED. So to write our code, we have to go on Arduino IDE and choose our Arduino Uno, like that, Arduino Uno, and then our COM port, which port we have connected the our board using cable, and we have to choose that. And then there is some code simple over here, and this is not needed. This is the ready-made code over here, the simple. And then I'm just going to minimize that because I have written a code on another window, another tab, and so I'm just minimizing it. You have to just choose Arduino Uno and then COM port, then write this code on your display, on your interface. You can write this. These are some functions. This is the code we needed to blink an LED, and I'm just compiling it and to clicking on there. It takes some time, few seconds, and if code is compiled, then our code is correct. We assume that, and then we'll upload the code on our board, and that's the simple, easy way to write code and upload the code on our board. And then after compiling, we'll go to upload the code, and it takes some time, and then after all, code is uploaded. Here is showing. So that's how we upload the code on the controller. For the hardware setup, we have chosen pin 13 as output. So in LED we have an LED. First of all, the long one is positive and short one is negative terminal on LED. So remember that we'll connect positive terminal in our small breadboard to positive, and small one on negative terminal. Here is sign of positive red and blue one is negative on breadboard. So we just connect that. We have two male to male connectors, male to male jumpers, and then negative one is black. Will connect white on in positive. So here we go. We'll connect white on positive and negative on negative. So white one should go on pin 13 because we did program pin 13 as a output. So pin 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here we go. Negative is ground. We did that. So our hardware connection is simple. It is, and negative one is on ground and positive on terminal 13, and we programmed from this cable, and our LED is blinking right now. So that's our first experiment, maybe our first code execution. So that's it. Today we learned what Arduino is, set up the IDE,